Hello everyone, my name is Paolo Gomoel. Today I will show you the tools and equipment using in a car conditioning system. First we have the vacuum pump, then we have the Freon tank, the compound gauge, the high pressure and the low pressure, the flaring tools, then the hand torch, we have the spring tube, spring bender, then we have the bronze rod. Then there's the here naman sa here in toolbox we have socket wrenches. Then we have the wrenches, sockets. Then we have Phillips screw. We have the negative and the positive. We have the alligator pliers, vice grip, and we have a measuring tape. We have a combination wrench. We have pliers, two kinds of pliers. And we have extension here, two extension. And that's all. Thank you guys. Subscribe.